Congratulations! Doing your family's laundry just got easier. With your new Whirlpool Duet washer and dryer, you'll save time, money, and energy, so you can concentrate on the rest of your busy day. But first, take a few moments to get to know your new Whirlpool Duet front-loading washer. It has dozens of special features that make it one of the best washing machines in the world. Your Duet washer and dryer are designed to fit into a variety of spaces. Since all the controls are on the front, they fit perfectly under a custom-built counter. Where space is limited, they can even be stacked on top of each other. The optional pedestals offer you a convenient space to store detergent and other laundry supplies. Plus, the pedestals lift the washer and dryer up, making loading a snap. Now, let us show you how easy it is to use your new Whirlpool Duet washer. Sort your laundry just as you've always done. Warning: fire hazard. Never place items in the washer that are dampened with gasoline or other flammable fluids. No washer can completely remove oil. Do not dry anything that has ever had any type of oil on it, including cooking oils. Doing so can result in death, explosion, or fire. As you load the washer, one of the first things you'll notice is how much more room you have in a front-loading machine. So go ahead, put in those extra towels. Just make sure the door closes easily. The Whirlpool Duet's large capacity means that you can clean items such as machine-washable pillows, bedding, even sleeping bags, things that you used to have to haul to the laundromat or dry cleaners to get clean. So you're already saving time and money. And the front-loading design means your Duet washer has no agitator to cause wear and tear on your family's clothes. There's a quick start washer guide plus a dispenser drawer guide included with your washer. It will tell you what you need to know about starting your washer, loading the detergent, and selecting the proper cycle. Please take a moment to review this guide as well as the safety precautions. Plus, you'll find more detailed instructions in the Whirlpool Use and Care Guide. If you have any other questions, please visit our website at www.whirlpool.com. This is one of the ways that your Whirlpool Duet differs from your previous washer. Right here in front is the special dispenser drawer. Notice the 4-compartment detergent separator. It is designed to hold your pre-wash and main wash HE detergent, liquid chlorine bleach, and fabric softener, and dispense them at just the right time in the wash setting. Your high-efficiency detergent goes into this compartment, not in the drum where your clothes are. Then it will be completely dissolved with the wash water before it touches your clothes, which means no more detergent streaks on your favorite jeans. If you have an extra dirty load that needs a pre-wash, put the additional detergent in the pre-wash compartment right here. Pour the HE detergent in, making sure not to fill beyond the maximum line. Whirlpool recommends using half of the detergent manufacturer's recommended amount in the pre-wash compartment and 2/3 the recommended amount in the main wash compartment. Powder detergent is a better choice for both the pre-wash or auto-soak features. See more information about this in your Use and Care Guide. Front-loading washers are more efficient than conventional top-loading deep fill models. So to get the best results, you'll want to choose a detergent that is just as efficient. To maximize your investment in the Duet washer, we strongly recommend that you use a high-efficiency detergent. HE detergent is formulated to create fewer suds. Most major brands now offer an HE formula, such as Tide HE. Non-chlorine, color-safe bleach can go in the main wash detergent compartment with your HE detergent. Be sure that you don't overfill this compartment. Look for the line marked Max as your guide. If you use a powder HE detergent, the separator should be in the back position. If you prefer a liquid, Simply lift out the separator and slide it into the front slot. Remember, if you use a powder detergent, stick with powder color-safe bleach. And for liquid detergent, choose a liquid color-safe bleach. Other laundry additives go on the opposite side of the dispenser. There's a separate compartment that's designed just for your liquid chlorine bleach. You shouldn't put anything else in this compartment. It holds 1/3 of a cup. That doesn't seem like a lot, but it's plenty to whiten and brighten a full load of whites. Be careful not to overfill the liquid bleach dispenser, or the extra amount will go directly into the wash. Here again, there's a clearly marked max line to guide you. The fabric softener compartment works the same way. It holds 1/4 cup, the amount recommended by the manufacturer. And just think, you don't have to remember to add the softener at the right time anymore. It's all taken care of at the same time. By the way, the dispenser drawer is self-flushing, but you can easily remove it for cleaning at any time. Just press the release at the back of the drawer. Make sure you don't put in too much HE detergent. Extra detergent or the use of a brand that isn't specially marked high efficiency can create excessive suds. Though even if that happens, you're still protected. Your Duet washer has a sensor that will activate an additional rinse phase to make sure all those extra suds are removed from your clothes. With the Whirlpool Duet, there's a perfect setting for just about all your fabric care needs. Look for the round knob with the green Control On button just to the left. Your Duet washer electronically puts itself to sleep when you're not doing laundry. This is one of the many energy-saving features of the Duet system. Pushing Control On wakes your washer up, so it's ready to accept your commands. Around the dial, you'll see all your choices of wash settings. Turn the knob until the red light comes on next to your chosen setting. Press and hold the Start button for 2 seconds. 1, 2. That's all there is to it. Which setting you choose depends on what you plan to wash and how dirty your clothes are. Each setting combines just the right wash time, water temperature, and spin speed to give you the results you're looking for. Plus, you can modify the settings with a touch of a button. Adjust the water temperature, the spin speed. It's simple. Depending on which setting you select, there are a few options that may not be available. In that case, you'll hear a gentle beep. The settings around the dial are organized in a logical order, so it's easy to choose the one that fits your needs. Starting at the top, the sanitary setting is specially designed for reducing common infectious bacteria. This setting destroys 99.999% of certain bacteria. It's a great choice for your baby's bedding and other things you want to get extra clean. A special heater boosts the water temperature up to 153 degrees Fahrenheit. It's another way the Whirlpool Duet saves you money while delivering great results. Then there's the whitest whites setting. The combination of this setting plus HE detergent and 1/3 cup of liquid chlorine bleach, and you just may need sunglasses to fold your laundry. The next 2 settings will probably be the ones you use most often. Heavy duty is perfect for things like your family's jeans and bath towels, while the normal casual setting is just right for kids' play clothes, sheets, and casual wear. But keep going around the dial to see more of what makes the Whirlpool Duet so special. Now you can wash bulky items, such as a queen-sized comforter and machine-washable pillows, because the Duet washer adjusts the action and water amounts to ensure your items get really clean. That means you can wash things at home that used to mean a trip to the laundromat. The activewear setting is perfect for those stretchy athletic clothes that need special care. Then there's the quick wash. It's perfect for small loads or items that just need some freshening up, or the last-minute laundry loads that happen in just about every home. And what about your delicate clothes, the machine-washable silks and special care items that you may have taken to the dry cleaner? Now your Duet washer gives you 2 options, silk and delicate hand washables. Both settings combine cool temperatures, gentle intermittent tumbling, and no spin to help protect your favorite garments. In the wool setting, the Duet cradles your machine-washable wools, so there's less shrinking and pilling. And the Whirlpool Duet is the first washer to carry the Woolmark logo, the symbol that represents excellence and certification from the world's leading wool textile organization. If you have small children, you'll love this feature. Press this button for 3 seconds and you've locked the controls. You'll see the bottom status light turn on. To unlock the controls, just press and hold the button again for 3 seconds. This feature works at any time, whether the washer is running or sitting idle. And for those days that just aren't long enough, you can choose to delay the start time of your wash load for up to 12 hours, so that your washer will automatically switch on after you've gone to bed. In areas where energy is less expensive during off-peak hours, that could add up to even more savings. The Whirlpool Duet will sound a bit different than the washers you're used to. You'll notice it first when you close the front-loading door. It makes a solid click that tells you the door is safely shut. When the wash setting begins, the first thing you'll see is water spraying into the drum. Then you'll hear another click, which is the door's locking system, making sure that the latch is secure. After a moment, the door locks again, and the wash setting begins. You won't hear much for the rest of the wash setting. That's how quiet your Duet is. Don't be surprised by the sound of the spin setting. It's much faster than average conventional top-loading home washers, removing lots more water. Many Duet owners say this is one of their favorite features. Clothes are nearly dry by the time they come out of the washer. In fact, with the Duet series, we've made so many improvements that dry time equals wash time and loads up to 15 pounds. Just think of how much time that shaves off doing the family's laundry. The Pause Cancel button has several uses. Let's say you found an extra dirty sock you want to add to your current wash load. If the setting has already started, but the Add a Garment light is still on, just press the Pause Cancel button once. Wait a few seconds while the water drains down and the door unlocks. Open the door and toss in that sock. Then close the door and press and hold Start. If you've started the washer but want to change your setting selection, press the Pause Cancel button 2 times. Make your new selections and then press and hold the Start button as before.